Tired of your Photoshop masterpieces turning into blurry, unprintable messes when you try to share them? In the next minute and a half, we'll transform you from a PDF novice to a Photoshop expert pro, ensuring your files look amazing every single time. First, open your project in Photoshop, of course. Then, navigate to File in the top menu, and select Save As. In the Save As dialog box, choose Photoshop PDF from the Format drop-down menu. Give your file a descriptive name now. This is where the magic happens. Click the Save button. This will bring up the Adobe PDF Save dialog box. Here, you'll find PDF presets for quick sharing. Choose smallest file size. This will compress your images and reduce the overall file size for print-ready documents. Select High Quality Print or PDFX, which are industry standards for professional printing. Now, let's dive into compression. In the compression settings, you can adjust the image quality and resolution. Lowering the quality will reduce the file size, but also reduce the quality of your images. Experiment to find the right balance. Under Output, you can convert colors or specify the color profile for the PDF. It is critical for accurate color reproduction for professional work. Finally, the security settings allow you to add passwords and restrict printing or copying of your PDF, a great way to protect your intellectual property. Once you're happy with your settings, click Save PDF and there you have it. A perfectly optimized PDF, straight from Photoshop. Now you can share, print, and archive your work with confidence.